Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat. Today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. Y'all, this hair was perfect. It gave such cutesy vibes, girly vibes. I was obsessed. This hair is from Ashimary. Everything about her will be in my description box below. As y'all can see, she is 22 inches and also that texture. Baby, that kinky straight texture is always the go-to texture. I feel like it straightens better and I also feel like it curls better as well. The hair just is so full and so natural. Right off the bat, the hairline is already pre-plucked, as y'all can see. I didn't have to use any tweezers. I did not tweeze the hairline or anything. So right now I'm showing you guys how well she takes heat. Now I'm just going to use a small strand of hair, but big enough so y'all can see how well she reacts to heat. Right now I am cutting off those ear tabs, and also you have to be careful when you're cutting your ear tabs as well, especially with the Invisi-Strap. You don't want to cut into the actual strap because you don't want to cut the actual drawstring piece off. So please be mindful of how you guys cut those ear tabs off. Like, the hairline on this wig is so perfect. You can honestly tell when you're about to have a good install as soon as you see the wig, not on your head, not on the mannequin head, but as soon as you open up the box and you look at it through the packaging. I can guesstimate if I'm going to enjoy an install strictly by how she is laid out in the bag. This wig is very beginner friendly. So how I am feeling about this wig from Ashimary. This hair 10s. Give her 10s, y'all. I love this hair. This is going to be my everything hair. Errands, girls night, mommy and me days. I feel like the cap fit comfortably around my 21.5-inch head. The Invisi-Straps were perfect. I remember when Invisi-Straps first were introduced in certain wigs, it was very loose, be a little bit unstable, but the way they put these straps in this wig, the way this wig is constructed, the stability is there. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle. Again, I will keep you guys updated if you do want to update a video on how she is after a month or two, because right now I don't have her on, but she is due for a wash. I will let you guys know how she takes to maintenance days. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel and supporting my channel and trusting my opinions. If you like this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future videos that is coming. I would like to thank Ashimary for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.